Hello and welcome to Tuesday the 9th of February's Phonics for Year 2 Grasshopper and Dragonflies class. I hope we're all well this morning. We're going to start practicing reading our words we're looking at this week. Can you call them out as they pop up on the screen? Ready? Coming, thing, looking, something. Your challenge is, can you say these words in a sentence? Like, I will be coming round your house next week. The thing is, I didn't understand. I was looking through my window. I saw something strange. Let's see what sentences that you guys can come up with. Okay, so we have been looking obviously at adding ing to words, a bit of last week and also this week. Today we are looking at what is happening to a word that ends in an E when we add the suffix ing. Sorry, we looked at that one yesterday, didn't we? Not today. If the word ends in an E, you take it away before adding ing. So we had the example there, have and having. So what happens when we add ing to words that have a short vowel sound and one consonant at the end? We double that consonant before adding the ing, such as hug becomes hugging. So what happens to a word with two consonants at the end? This is what we looked at yesterday. Even if they're part of a vowel digraph, it stays the same when we add ing, such as talk becomes talking, fill becomes filling. Now, finally, let's recap the rule of words with a short vowel sound. So that's going to help us today. Okay, we double that consonant. Okay, when we are adding ig to a word that has a short vowel sound. But today we're going to look at words that have got a long vowel sound. What do you think might happen when we add to the suffix ing to these words? Well, if it's got a one-syllable word with a long vowel sound or two vowels followed by a final consonant, we just add the ing. The word stays the same. Pretty much the same rule as with the short vowel sound there. So we've got the word here, claim, becomes claiming. That's got the long A sound. Feel becomes feeling, the long E sound. Boil becomes boiling, the long Oi sound. Blow becomes blowing, the O sound, and croak becomes croaking there with the long O sound. You can see we just add ing to these words. So we're going to do a bit of a word sort here, okay? We're going to go through these words and see if we can put them into the right box. We've got in the first column just adding ing. In the second column, removing that E and adding ing. And in the last column, doubling the consonant and adding ing. So the first word we've got here is hopping. Hopping. If you have a look there, what has happened to it? Have we just added ing? Have we taken away the E or have we doubled the consonant? Shall we have a look? We have doubled the consonant there. You can see it's got two P's. Well done. Okay, our next word is stopping. What has happened to that word? We've also doubled the consonant. You can see there the two P's. Okay, now this is where we got a bit tricky with a few words the other day. We had hopping and hoping, very, very similar. But if you look on the word hope, the base word hope, and then we look at it here with the ing suffix, what has happened to it? Yes, the E has been removed and it becomes hoping. Just remove the E and add ing. We've then got the word fixing. What's happened to that word? It ends in an X and we've just added ing. That's it. Well done. Then we've got the word hugging. We've just seen that as an example. What's happened to the G, the final consonant? It has, well done, been doubled when we add the ing. We've then got the word liking. Think of the base word like, have a look at the word there, liking. What has happened? Yes, the E has been removed. Well done, and just added ing. We've then got the word looking. Looking. What has happened to that word when we've added ing? We've just added ing. The base word hasn't changed. We've then got the word walking. What's happened to that word? Yes, well done. We've also just added ing to that word. And our last word here is smiling. Now, the base word smile is and then we've got here smiling. Is the E there? No, well done, excellent. We've managed to sort out all those words looking at the rules we've been learning so far, just adding ing, removing an e and adding ing, or doubling the consonant and then adding ing. Well done if you got all those correct. You might want to go back over this again, perhaps write it down yourself just so that you can really understand that. Okay, so now we're going to have a look at reading some sentences. So let's have a go and see if we can read it all together. It goes, his dog was begging for my snack. That uses the rule of doubling the consonant, begging. The next one, the rabbit was hopping into the bushes. And that also uses the doubling consonant rule for adding ing. We were stopping to pet the dogs, also using the doubling consonant for adding ing. I was helping my dad do a trick. What have we done with this word? Helping, we've just added ing. I was asking my mum to help me. Ask becomes asking, just adding ing. Now, can you see if you can create a sentence that includes at least one base word and an ing word on it? Perhaps you might want to just say it. Perhaps you would want to write it down. You might want to pause the video so that you can read these sentences yourself at your own pace and see if you can remember which rule each one uses. So that is it for today, everybody. I hope that you enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you again tomorrow. Goodbye.